Here we have the Angus beef rib roast. Here is a list of ingredients we'll be using for the rub. I fold all of the ingredients in together to mix it thoroughly. So we have the roast covered in the butter, salt, and herb de Provence coating seasoning. Remember this weight of 4.66 pounds. It'll come in handy later. Now that the roast has finished resting for the completed 2 hours and 24 minutes, now is the time to remove it from the oven and start serving it up. Looks good, right? Can't wait to plate this up. Here I am cutting off the butcher string off to remove it before I start to slice off pieces of the roast. First slice, look how perfectly medium rare this roast turned out. Yes, I know I need to order a new carving set and lose these tongs. Here is the plated meal. We have our perfectly cooked roast topped with a creamy horseradish topping, served with pan-fried potatoes and carrots, and our sauteed Brussels sprouts and mushrooms. We'll have a video on how to make the potatoes and carrot dish up shortly. If you'd like to see how we did the sauteed Brussels sprouts and mushrooms, please leave a request in the comments section of this video. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe button if you're not already done so. And please leave us a comment. YouTube now likes to see this kind of stuff, and it helps me try to improve the channel. Till next time, see ya!